Hey guys, I have the Ipsy by Boxycharm for the month of August of 2023. Average, it's around $30 with free shipping, and there's 5 products. You fill out a profile, and then you kind of choose 3 that you want. You know, everything's not available for everyone. It's based on your profile, and it is free shipping. The products are up to $200 in value for that $30, so it's a pretty good deal. So this Q product is a cucumber and collagen vitamin salt scrub. Coconut enzymes in Q's formula create a uniquely creamy lather, while the niacinamide helps to calm the skin during your sea salt exfoliation. And there are all the wonderful ingredients. And this body scrub has a retail of $22. Although I love this item, I didn't have a good selection, so I didn't get it for the month of September. Now this one is an Ace Beauté loose setting powder. Its lightweight, silky consistency will give you a velvety matte look with a subtle glow, and you apply it under the eyes in the T-zone and let it set for 3 to 5 minutes before you dust it off. This is the shade of Fair, and it will effectively minimize shine for the entire day. And this has a retail value of $26. All right, so the next is Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush, and this is in the shade Latte. It comes in this nice container, and it's an easily shaped to apply. And it's a very, I guess the word would be natural looking color. I would think it would be close to skin color for many. And it has a retail value of $32. Alrighty, so the next one is FAMU, Camellia Elixir Oil, Antioxidants. It combats skin stress from environmental aggressors by restoring the layers of the skin barrier to make the skin healthier, smooths lines and wrinkles, and promotes a bright complexion. Moisture is boosted with no greasy residue, and skin is firm and plump. You can see all of the fabulous ingredients there, with seed oil, flower oil, fruit oil, flower extract, and more. This 100% natural ingredient skin oil has a retail value of $60. Alrighty, so the last but not least is the LYS Beauty No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. This is in the shade Harmony in shade medium. This easy to apply bronzer is actually a really nice color. It doesn't look like it cranks up though, so this little bit that you see here is the whole use of it. I mean, it's not like you could crank it like a lipstick and make it come out, but it's a fabulous idea, and it's a very nice color. So this bronzing stick by LYS has a retail value of $20. All right, so let me see what the total is of everything. The bronzing stick is $20. The setting powder is $26. The blush stick is $32. The Q body scrub is $22. And then the Elixir is $60. So the total is $160 retail value. So it's always worth the $30. There's always something in here that I'm going to love and I'm going to use. But as I've said in other videos, Boxycharm actually bought Ipsy. Now with Ipsy, I used to choose 3 products. They would give me 2 skincare products, and then I would choose 3 skincare products. So I was getting 5 skincare products, and I absolutely loved it for $30, and it would have a retail sometimes well over $200. So since Boxycharm has bought Ipsy, I'm just a little disappointed because I don't wear makeup, and there's always makeup in here, and I didn't have the choice of 5 skincare products. So someone else would love this box, and to me it's still worth $30 because that body scrub and that elixir right there, those are things that I will use. So that's the Ipsy by Boxycharm subscription now. It's a mix of makeup and skincare. You still get to choose 3 products, but you don't get to, choose all makeup or choose all skincare. So I'll definitely continue to get it now and then because I can always give out gifts or put it up on my Poshmark for sale, right? So as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this box this month, and I'll see you in the next video.